How's everyone doing? This is an unboxing of the Walensee Compost Peat Moss Spreader. I've been looking to purchase one of these for a while. There's a popular version that I won't name that I was actually considering purchasing, but I saw some of the initial reviews of this particular version, and it was even for a cheaper price. I think it was like $170 versus maybe $200 or a little over $200 for the other version, and I really like this one a lot. So I went ahead and took the chance and purchased this one through Amazon. I'll leave a link below if you want to purchase it. And yeah, I just want to take a look at the initial review and unboxing to just give my first thoughts. So I should say my main reason for purchasing this unit is not to use it so much for compost spreading or peat moss spreading, but occasionally I will do some aeration of my lawn. This is the back lawn that you're looking at currently. It's just a Bermuda lawn in Georgia. Haven't done a lot of videos this year, but occasionally or once a year I like to do some aeration and some top dressing or light leveling. I did some of that last year, and you can see there's a little bit of topsoil that's left over. But as anyone that have ever done any type of top dressing or leveling knows that it's a very arduous and tedious process that requires a lot of effort. So I'm hoping that this unit right here will help in that process of evenly applying the topsoil, so that I can have it basically disperse evenly and come over it with a leveling rake to get it nice and flat. So let's go ahead and open it up. I've actually already cut it open, so let me flip the box over. All right, so when I opened it up, well, first of all, when I lifted the box, I noticed that it was very, very heavy. So this is not aluminum or anything lightweight. It's very, very, very well, it's well built. And one thing I was wondering also, I wasn't sure how large the openings would be, because again, like I said, the main purpose is to use it for top dressing, primarily, you know, doing some leveling with some leveling mix, but occasionally I will put maybe some topsoil from the big box store, which if anyone have ever used that for light leveling or light top dressing, you know that it has a lot of wood chips and large materials. So my main concern was that these holes would not be too big so that it can at least do some additional filtering. And I'm very pleased to see that, you know, these holes are maybe about 3/4 of an inch within the widest cross area there. So I think that would be a really nice feature, again, to do some additional filtering of any materials that I don't want on the lawn. But again, the unit is well built, as you can see. Kind of hard to take it out with one hand here, but you know, this is solid iron here, and it's coated really nice. I was even looking at the latch system here. I mean, everything is welded, well built. So I think I'm gonna have fun with this. I think this is gonna be a really, really good unit. So When I do my first application, I'll try to record a video to let everybody know how that turns out. But so far, again, first impression, rock solid. And I think this is gonna be a really nice unit that should last several years for the lawn. All right, so again, this is just a quick unboxing and initial thoughts of the Walensee, I think that's how you say it, compost and peat moss spreader. I'll have to do some minor installation, so it doesn't look like a whole lot, just some screws that I need to secure in place. But yeah, that's it for now. I'll do my initial review when I apply the top dressing for the first time and let you know how it works. All right, talk to you then.